Hello, my name is Jack from Stafford Audi, and today I'm going to be taking you around this Audi approved used vehicle.
So the vehicle featured today is this stunning approved used Audi Q5 Black Edition 40 TDI Quattro. Now, this particular example is finished in the optional district green metallic paintwork, which has really give this Q5 a unique look. Now, as we look towards the fantastic optional extras on the vehicle, such as the multicoloured LED interior lighting, LED matrix headlights, Bang & Olufsen 3D surround premium sound system, and the electrically adjustable tow bar. Now moving on to the exterior key features of this vehicle, where we do find these fantastic LED matrix headlights, which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition, and do also feature the daytime running lights. Moving down below now, we do find these fantastic 20-inch 5-segment spoke alloys, finished in the gloss black and satin aluminium, and they do really complement the green paintwork. To the side of the vehicle now, we do find the rear privacy glass, in which does keep those rear occupants from view, as well as continuing the overall black and green theme. Moving into the rear boot space now of the Audi Q5, where we do find up to 455 litres of storage capacity, which is a large amount for an SUV of this size. This can easily accommodate 2 larger suitcases as well as a few additional bags. Moving into the rear seats now, where we do find this fantastic full leather interior with the additional white stitching. There is also a leather centre armrest, which just fall down to present 2 useful cup holders, as well as the ISOFIX points, in which are neatly located across the back row. Bang & Olufsen 3D surround premium sound system is also fitted to the vehicle, as well as having more than enough leg space to accommodate 3 in the rear. Moving into the front now, where we do find a very well designed and high quality interior, with a large amount of plush materials such as fine Nappa leather, gloss black and aluminium. With this being the Black Edition model, it does mean that gloss black does continue on into the rear, and it does mean you still get the Audi Sport S logo, in which is dotted throughout the cabin and does specifically feature on both front seats. Now looking towards the driver's view of the Q5, we do find this fantastic setup with a flat bottom S Nappa leather steering wheel with the aluminium inserts and the shifter paddles behind the wheel. Above now, we do find a virtual cockpit display, in which is featured those 2 digital rev counters. Then when pressing the view button on the left hand side, you can also change the view of the overall display. Now to the centre of the dashboard, where we do find this very impressive touchscreen display, in which is also featured the satellite navigation, which is perfect for getting to A to B with route guidance. Moving just above now, where we do also find the reversing camera, as well as the front and rear parking sensors, in which does make this Q5 much easier to park, especially in those tighter spaces. Further down from this now, we do find a fantastic digital dual zone climate control that is very easily adjustable, and the heated seat functionalities are located either side of this for both front passengers, which is perfect for those colder winter days.
So this vehicle does come with a minimum of 12 months warranty and a minimum of 12 months of roadside assistance. For more information or to book a test drive, do give us a call now on 01785 899 417.